Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Write the following polynomial in factored form. So given polynomial is 48x plus 108y square. So we can write, in order to write this in factorized form, we have to factor both numerals and literals here. So let's find out numerals factors first. So 48 can be written as 12 into 4 into x. 108 can be written as plus 12 into 9 into y square. Now if we observe the two terms, we see that 12 is common in both the terms. And there are no other common factors. So we can write this as 12 into 4x plus 12 into 9y square. So we take 12 common out of both terms. So first term is remained with 4x and second with 9y square. So this is complete factorized form of given polynomial. This is the answer.